Drop him!
My effort in this whole tutorial is to prove that, as Filmora editors, we can repeat the Beast Games beat sync effect even with very minimum effort. This video is sponsored by the good people of Wondershare Filmora under the AMV Dynamic Music Editing campaign. You can use the very first link in the description below to join Filmora's Discord server that allows you to get the licensed purchasing discount news firsthand. Now let's get started. Now I am going to use the Beast Games audio right here, just a first example. Having it right in the timeline here, select your audio and then go to this option right here, which is called the Smart Edit tool. Then right here, go exactly to the beat detection. And right after that, Filmora is going to automatically add markers right on the audio to show you the beat frames. Now I'd like you to take note of this. Sometimes Filmora misses the beats that you actually want and mark those that you do not want. So in that case, what you're supposed to do right here is to select again. Go back to the same option here, and then go to the beat options this time around, and then choose Beats 2. Not just that, but you can also change the interval to 2. And this simply means that it will add more beats than it would be doing on 4. And now, here we have perfect beats, but the only thing is that we are skipping 1. So that means we just have to go again to the same option, the beat options, and this time around, make the interval 1. And there you go. We now have markers on every beat. And now the following thing right here, my dear friend, is to drag down your videos, your footage, and align them with the markers. All right, now give me just a few more seconds as I repeat the same process on another audio so that I can show you the preview. And there you go. And that's exactly how you would have edited this scene if you were one of the MrBeast editors for Beast Games. And until I see you in the next episode, my dear friend,
Bye.